This is a short video about one of the tools that we sell. It's a tool for putting a clip on the back of a wheel cylinder. The wheel cylinder is actually used on several different models of cars. It's used on MGBs, minis, midgets, a couple of others. Once you've come across this clip, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. It's a C-clip that goes on the back of the wheel cylinder. Well, we have a tool that makes it easy to put it on. And what we did, I did an oil seal on the back of this car, the MGB, and we had a backing plate off the car and in the vise. So I used that opportunity to take a video of me using the actual tool. So that's the clip that we're going to go to, and I hope you enjoy it. So what I'm going to do is just take the old spring off. I find these things horrible. Pain in the arse trying to do this on the car. And now I'm going to put this in the vise. Now this is the rear wheel Circlip tool that I have. This has got to be the best thing since sliced bread. Putting these cylinders on can be a major pain. You get a new clip with it, but trying to put the clip on can be somewhat difficult. Just trying to get the clip onto here can be a regular pain. So what you do, use this little tool and you put the Circlip on the back. I take a little bit of grease and I just put it around the tapered bit here. Bit on there. Then we screw this into where the brake pipe goes. Screw it all the way in because it's only aluminum. And then we pick up the clip we just fell on the floor and lost. Now with the clip, before I put the clip on, I screw my tool in the back of the wheel cylinder, and the tapered part I screw down so it's flush with the back of the cylinder itself. Then I put my clip on and I put my clip opening towards the bleed nipple. Keep it there, shove that on, fasten my nut up. If your clip's not exactly in the right place, doesn't really matter because you can change it afterwards. You just tap it around with a little screwdriver. So now once you've got everything up and flush, put it on, and now I just wind it on with this. And there you go, it's fitted. The cylinder's in there nice and solid. As you can see, it's in there very well. So it's a far better way to fit it. I showed you doing it on the plate because if I did this on the car, it's really hard for me to videotape. And I've got to take this off anyway, so you can see how easy it goes on. It just makes life a lot easier. It's just simpler. Okay, so all I got to do is put this back on the car now.